Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. So, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today topic solutions assignment number 13 class 9. So, let us explain first question. The number of gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution is called. So, read question carefully. The number of gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution is called. See. So, number of gram equivalent of solute is dissolved in per liter of solution is called normality. Is called normality. Option 3. Next question. Next. What is the normality of solution containing 35 grams of KOH dissolved in sufficient water to make 400 ml of solution? So read question carefully. What is the normality of solution containing 35 grams of KOH? So weight is given KOH. 35 grams of KOH is dissolved in sufficient water to make 400 ml of solution. See, first of all, write the information. So what is the information given question? Weight is given. Weight equal to 35 grams. And gram equivalent weight. Gram equivalent weight of KOH means the gram equivalent weight means gram molecular weight by KOH is a base. So gram molecular weight by acidity. So gram molecular weight of KOH equal to 56. It's contain only one OH minus ion. So 56 by 1, 56. And one more volume also given. How much? Volume equal to 400 ml. You know weight and gram equivalent weight also you know, and volume also you know. Then you can find the normality of the solution. So normality equal to formula. Weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in ml. So weight how much? 35. So gram equivalent weight 56 into 100 by 1000 by volume 400. After that calculation, then you will get 1.56 normality. 1.56 normality. So option 1. I hope you understand. Next, third question. 0.5 molarity H2SO4 is dissolved in from 1 liter to 10 liter. Normality of resulting solution will be. So what is the given question? 0.5 molarity of H2SO4 is dissolved from 1 liter to 10 liter. So write the information. Molarity is given. How much? 0.5 molarity. But here asking normality. So what is the relation between molarity and normality? So molarity equal to normality equal to 2 into molarity. This 2 is nothing but acid, no, 2 is nothing but basicity. So H2SO4 basicity is 2. So 2 into 0.5. So 1. N1 is given. N1 is 1 and 1 liter to 10 liter. So V1 equal to 1 liter, then V2 equal to 10 liter. V2 equal to 10 liter. Then what is N2? What is the formula? N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. Then N2 equal to N1 V1 by V2. So N1 value 1 and V1 value 1 by V2 value 10. So 1 by 10 means 0.1 normality. Option 2. Next, fourth question. See that fourth question. When a metal is burns, its weight is increased by 24%. The equivalent weight of metal will be. When a metal is burns means when a metal burns means what? In presence of oxygen. In presence of oxygen to give metal oxide. When a metal is burns in presence of oxygen to give metal oxide. So see that its weight is increased by 24%. Means, for example, metal is, the mass of metal is m, it is increased by 24%, means m into 24 by 100. So see, first of all you have to find the oxide ion, equivalent weight of oxide, then you will get the equivalent weight of metal. So how can you find the equivalent weight of oxide? See that equivalent weight of oxide ion equal to, oxide ion is nothing but O minus 2, equivalent weight of oxide ion. So molar mass of oxygen is 16 by its charge on the ion 2, 8 gram per equivalent. So equivalent weight of oxide is 8 gram per equivalent. You know equivalent weight of oxide, then you will calculate metal equivalent weight of metal. How you know? Once see, m is the equivalent weight of metal. Means m grams of metal is reacted with 8 grams of oxygen. The corresponding metal oxide will be formed, that is 8 grams more in the mass. This 8 grams is indicate, so 24% of m. So 8 grams equal to m into 24 by 100. Then m equal to 100 into 8 by 24. Then you will get m equal to 33.33. Option 3. The equivalent weight of metal is 33.3. Next, fifth question. If 100 ml of a solution containing 10 grams of H2SO4, the normality of the solution is. What is the given information in this question? 100 ml of solution. So volume is given. How much? 100 ml. It's contained 10 grams. Weight equal to 10 grams. And gram equivalent weight of H2SO4. Gram equivalent weight of H2SO4 formula: gram molecular weight by H2SO4 is a acid, so basicity. So gram molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98 by 2 to get 49. So you know volume and weight and gram equivalent weight also you know. Then find the normality. Normality equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. So weight equal to 49, weight equal to 10, gram equivalent weight 49 into volume 100. Then you will get 100 by 49 equal to 2.04. Option 2, 2.04 normality. Okay students, thank you very much.